Hello everyone, my name is Monae Porter, and here we have my Neuron, just made with some household items I found around my house. So if we start here at the top, we have dendrites, and that is represented by these candles. Normally in a real neuron, there will be several dendrites forming an almost tree-like structure. And dendrites, their role is to receive impulses from other cells at their synapses, and it is transmitted to the cell body, also called the soma. The cell body houses the nucleus and other important organelles for the neuron. And here we have the nucleus, and that is the avocado pit. You can't see it, but it is there. And the nucleus basically controls and regulates activities that are in the cell. So other things that are also located in the soma are the mitochondria and the ribosomes. The mitochondria are located in the cytoplasm, and basically their role is to generate large quantities of energy, also known as ATP. And this is all represented, the mitochondria and the ribosomes, by this battery. The second thing, called ribosomes, also located in the cytoplasm, its role is to decode the message and formation of peptide bonds. Now moving back down to the neuron, we have the axon hillock, and that is represented by the Hershey bar. And this is basically located at the end of the cell body, and it controls the firing of the neuron. Now this part here is kind of connected. As you can see, the axon is represented by a flashlight and is covered in the myelin sheath, which I'll get into in a second. But in a real neuron, it will be connected all the way to the cell body. However, the whole axon is not covered in this myelin sheath. Some of it is exposed, and it is known as the nose of Ranvill. These gaps that are exposed, they are used to generate fast electrical impulses along the axon. And this rapid rate of conduction is called the saltatory conduction. Now this axon, as you can see it now, but now that's not covered, it is a long tail-like structure, and it basically, impulses are sent from the cell body to other cells. Now here, my tissue, which represents the myelin sheath. This is necessary because it is an insulating layer, and it allows electrical impulses to transmit quickly and efficiently along the nerve cells. Now moving into the bottom part of the neuron, the tops of these knives represents the axon's terminus, and these function to release neurotransmitters to the presynaptic cell. Now moving on to the ends of the knives, these are called synapses. And their goal is basically to permit a neuron or nerve cell to pass electrical or chemical signals to another neuron. So this is another neuron, this is the synapse. And basically this would be the synapse of one neuron, and this would be the dendrite of the next neuron. But thank you guys for listening to my presentation, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.